These are the differences between RideTech, Global West, Classic Performance, and the OEM control arms for 58 through 64 Chevrolet full-size vehicles. This RideTech unit is meant for air suspension. The main differences are the RideTech uses these rubber bushings just like the rest of them do, except they have these grease fittings here so you can lubricate these. CPP also uses rubber bushings, but they have no grease fittings. The CPP arm is basically just a straight tube. You can see the OEM unit has a bit of a bend to it. And so when you have the torsional flex on the frame, as the axle moves up and down, you have this sort of off-center axis of rotation, and so it introduces a torsional twist at the frame. The spring perch, you can see, has a place for the bottom coil to sit and rest. That is also indexed in the Classic Performance unit. Now, the big difference from Global West is that here at the frame mounting end, they have a spherical bearing instead of a bushing, and that accommodates that torsional flex that I just talked about. They also have a screw point for mounting your brake line. The rest of them do not have that, with the exception of the OEM unit. You could probably use this hole here on the CPP unit, put in your own screw and lock nut, and you could secure your brake line there. There's also a rotating rubber insert here, a loose rubber insert for the spring perch in the Global West unit. The rear bushing on the Global West unit is also very large. So there you have it, 4 different control arms for 58 through 64 Chevrolet full-size vehicles.